Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to add sound to your Kivy application. For example, let me show you what I'm saying. Like now, if we press this button, here it clicks sound, and when you click on reset, you hear it click sound like this. So that is what we are going to be working on today. And please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And also, please don't forget to support me on PayPal, support my work on PayPal. At the link is at the description below. So let's get started. So first of all, here's what we are going to be doing right now for this. If we want to make our sound to work. So first of all, we go search for the sound we want to use, that we are going to use for our script. So I created two different sounds which I'm going to use for this scripting. So you can get your own wherever you want. It's just click sound, and it's two sounds I want to use, which is click and reset. Then after that, you create a file like this, you create a folder like this, you call it or you name it however you want to name it. So after you're done naming it, then you come to this your pie chart here, you drag the audio straight right over to the project. You drag it straight over here to this YouTube tutorial, to your project work. Then you refactor it. So you click on refactor. So now we have the file here and the audios here. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to create a variable under our main screen, the screen of the application. We are going to create the variable, the sound variable, the screen application. We are going to, first of all, we are going to start with reset. One equal to, we are the first variable we are going to the first variable we are going to create is reset. Let me show you what I mean. This variable, this we are going to make sure that this sound works too, and both this and this too works. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to create two variables for two audios. First of all, I'll call this one reset 1. Reset 1. The reason why I name it, because I already have the variable called just watch what I'm going to do. But I just name it reset 1 equal to, I will say sound loader dot load, then bracket. We start by writing the first name of the file, which is audio. You put slash this reset here, reset dot wev. We're having issues here, showing sound loaded. The error is showing error here at this sound loader. Click here, we import. Click on Kivy core audio sound loader, the first module. Click on it, the error has gone. So the same thing too we are going to do for the second this thing. So we just name it as Instead of reset, we call it click. Click variable. We create this variable, name it as click. Exactly how it's being named right over here. Call it click. So we are done with the first step by creating the variable. The second step now is to create the function. That if we, for example, whenever we click this, whenever we click the plus sign, it's going to, the function will be called when we click the click or we click reset. We say df click. Then we put self. That means whenever, pay attention, whenever we call the function of click, we are going to write self dot click dot play. So that's how we call this variable. That's how we call this function. Also the same thing for reset. Df reset. We call it, rename it reset. We write reset one. Reset one. The reason why I wrote it like that, because I would have write reset, but the reason why I wrote reset one is because I have the function called reset. If I write reset over here, it's going to contradict with the other one. So I just have to name it in a different in a way in which it doesn't contradict. So we are done with the second step. Now the third step now is for us to call this function up. To call this function that whenever we click on, we come to this our Kivy here. Whenever we click on either the plus sign, on press, whether we click the plus sign, the minus sign, or the reset sign, it plays the audio. So on this on press we did, it's going to call, when we press this thing, when we press the button, it's going to call out this function, which is whenever we press the plus sign, it's going to call out this function, which is add, and which is over here. That means we are going to increment the value by +1. So also here we can also write comma. Then we come here, we look at the one which we want to slot. I want to slot this click. We are going to write root dot click. So now we are done with the other one. We are done with, also I want it also for the subtract button too, and also the reset button. We are just going to change the value. I'll just copy and paste for time's sake. We are going to call it root dot reset one. So that's what we are going to do. Let's run it now. It's showing some error now. Reset one. Okay, line 19. I want to figure out this error. Write load in a small letter. It's just the issue now we are having. Okay, let's run it now. It's going to work. Showing some issues again. um let me run it again. There is something wrong about it. Self.click.play. Let me see. It says object has no attribute. Play. Let me see. Maybe we are doing something wrong. Oh, I've already seen the error. The error is around here. Let's just name this click sound, and here this reset one. Just call it reset sound. And also here we are going to call this one reset one. Since we are calling the name of this audio file, we call it reset one. I will go, we come back to this side. Instead we right click sound, and also here sound sound, click sound and reset sound. Call this one reset one. So let's run it now. I hope it's going to work. You can hear some sound. So that's how to make that's how to add sound into Python Kivy. So thanks for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also please don't forget to support me on PayPal. On the link is below in the description box. So thanks for watching.